the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Hey, Mr. Smith here. I got a great drawing for you today. I'm going to show you how easy it is to draw one of the main characters from the brand new blockbuster movie, Inside Out 2. Now I know many of us remember how it was becoming a teenager, and when those emotions and everything start to hit, it's like a wrecking ball. Well, one of the biggest emotions that hit our main character in this story was anxiety. And I know we've all dealt with anxiety, even as adults. Have to make a presentation for work, for our co-workers, get up and do public speaking. Sometimes anxiety gets to you and you just get tingling, and sometimes things don't work, and sometimes anxiety pushes you over and you do it. You either get the best of anxiety or anxiety gets the best of you. Well, today I want to show you how we can conquer and draw anxiety. So let's get your pencils, papers, crayons, magic markers, whatever you have to draw, and you can stop and start my video while I'm doing my demonstration in case I go too fast for you, but I'm going to have to try to slow it down so you can keep up with me. So if you're ready to start drawing anxiety from the brand new movie Inside Out 2, let's go! We're making 2 circles for anxiety's eyes. And then we're going to make smiling face curving lines near the bottom of the circle for her eyelids. After that, we're going to make 2 little circles with even smaller circles inside for the cornea and the pupil, and another little teenier circle for a highlight. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to make a smiling face underneath and 2 curving lines on the side of that. Another smiling face inside and another one on top of that, and we're going to connect them. We're going to look like 2 skinny hot dogs or a long skinny banana. Now we're going to start working on her neck, which is a curving vertical line, and it has curving lines on the neck. Then after this, we're going to start working on her teeth. We're going to start putting teeth at the top. After we do the top row, then we will do the bottom row. And then next, we will start working on anxiety's hair. All right, her hair looks like a big stalk of celery. Going out to the left and out to the right, and we'll come back. Another curving line going out and back in. Another one going out, back in. Curving out, back in. We're going to go out another time, back in. We're going to curve to the other side, come back in, out, back in, curve it out, back in, curve it out, back in. One more time, curve it out and connect. We have finished anxiety's hair. Now we're going to work on her eyebrows, which look like 2 small smiling faces with a diagonal line. We're going to connect those. And now we're going to start working on her body. We're going to do her arm, one going up, one going down, another curving line going down. Let's connect those at the end. We're going to put that leg and body together. We're going to put 2 boots in with using these 2 straight vertical lines, and then we're going to curve them around. And after we finish curving around for her boots, then we're going to come back and start working on the stripes that she has on her shirt and her belt. and they're curving lines on the arms, and finally we can start making her hands, which are nothing but a bunch of curving lines. No voiceover for coloring. You just follow along, use whatever colors you see me use or whatever feels comfortable for you. And thank you for watching and sharing my video. Please remember, I need you to subscribe. I need you to watch my whole video. And if you like what you see, share it with a friend and come back and see Mr. Smith again.